Here we have a 2018 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter, which is part of the M Performance kit that this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top, you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the GRAN Coupe badge as well on the rear window just there. Coming around to the rear, you find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display. We also have a reversing camera. We have the twin pipe exhaust with the rear diffuser and a power operated tailgate. If we press the button on the remote, then the boot will open like so. Now inside of here, you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. Got a little parcel shelf as well up top. As you can see, very spacious inside of here. We also have a button up here. Press the button and then the boot will close again like so. And making our way back around to the driver's side, you can see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look now at the interior. So inside of the back first, you can see we do have the full leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. We also have the same full leather interior, both front seats being heated and also electrically adjustable. We have the memory function for the driver's side. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside and you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. We've got the speedometer and the cruise control on the left hand side, the volume buttons on the right, paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, and we are also free from any warning lights other than letting us know about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We got the main screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. If any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Now we have plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them, we have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find we have the radio stations. We also have the media options down here with the Bluetooth audio, USB and much more. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. And we also have the different drive modes as well. So we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus, which also has the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Also changes the look of the dashboard for the different drive modes. As you can see, switch from Sport to Comfort and then over to Eco. Now moving further down, you find we have the heated seats on either side. Just here, as you can see, with the ice-cold air conditioning all working as they should do. We have the cup holders inside of here. We also have the different drive mode buttons. Got the automatic gearbox. Put it into reverse and you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We get the manual handbrake, leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm able to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not doing enough to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap while the paddles and it will change gear. We've got the cruise control and the speedometer buttons on the left hand side, the volume buttons on the right, digital dashboard in front of us which can show with different displays that you've seen on the photos. Then we do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system which really does sound incredible, and if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather interior in this vehicle, really makes it a nice place to be. The seats are also very comfortable, easy to do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We've With both front seats being heated, it's perfect for them cold winter mornings, and they're also electrically adjustable. The driver's side have the memory function. We've got the main screen in the centre, it's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass, before making the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse, reversing camera appears on the screen, put it back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.